14 gadgets that make people stop and ask questions, and most of them have never appeared on a channel like this before. These aren't the same products that have been on every other list. Every single one here does something that makes people look twice and then ask where to get one. No filler. Every gadget earned its spot. Subscribe right now. New discoveries every week. Let's get into it. Number 14. Jet Fan. Most fans move air. This one does something noticeably different. The jet fan uses bladeless jet technology to deliver a focused, powerful stream of air that feels significantly stronger than its compact size suggests. No exposed blades, no noise that makes a room feel like an airport, just clean, directed airflow that actually reaches across a room instead of just rustling papers on the desk next to it. For anyone who has ever sat directly in front of a fan on a hot day and still felt warm, this is the upgrade that fixes that exact problem. Number 13. DayBright Light. Most home offices have the same invisible problem: terrible lighting that drains energy without anyone realizing why. Smart lighting has reached the point where adjusting from warm to cool tones is as easy as dragging a finger across an app and Gadget, and the DayBright takes that further by simulating natural daylight directly at a workspace. The difference between sitting under standard artificial lighting and daylight spectrum lighting becomes noticeable within about 20 minutes. Energy levels stay higher, focus holds longer, eye strain drops noticeably by the end of the day. For anyone working from home, gaming for hours, or simply spending significant time at a desk, this lamp quietly changes the experience of being in that room. Number 12. Water Leak Detector. This one doesn't look exciting. It earns its spot on this list because of what happens without it: a slow leak under a sink, a washing machine hose that's been slowly failing for weeks, a water heater that finally gives out at 3 a.m. These aren't dramatic events, they're quiet disasters that cause thousands of dollars in damage before anyone realizes anything is wrong. The water leak detector sits silently near any water source and sends an immediate alert to a phone the moment moisture is detected. No subscription, no installation beyond placing it on the floor, just immediate awareness of a problem that would otherwise compound invisibly until it became genuinely expensive. Every homeowner needs one. Most don't have one yet. Number 11. Smart Charger. Most chargers do one thing: deliver power to a device. The smart charger does that and then some. Intelligent power distribution automatically adjusts output based on what's plugged in, ensuring every connected device charges at its optimal speed without overcharging or overheating. Multiple devices charging simultaneously without fighting over watts. It's the kind of upgrade that sounds simple until it's been used daily for a week, and then going back to a standard charger feels like a significant step backwards. Number 10. TinyEdge 2.0 Shaver. The travel shaver market has a consistent problem. Most compact shavers sacrifice performance to achieve portability. The result is a device that technically fits in a bag but leaves a result that requires finishing with something else. The TinyEdge 2.0 was built specifically to solve that. Ultra compact enough to disappear into any bag or jacket pocket, but precision built to deliver a genuinely clean shave without the compromises that make most travel shavers frustrating. For men who travel frequently, commute long distances, or simply want a backup that actually works when needed, this is the shaver that earns a permanent spot in the everyday carry kit. Number 9. AI Mouse. A computer mouse has been the same basic object for decades. Point, click, scroll, done. The AI mouse changes what that object is capable of entirely. A built-in AI assistant lives directly inside the mouse, accessible instantly without switching apps, opening browsers, or breaking workflow at all. Query it mid-task, get answers, summaries, and suggestions without touching a keyboard or leaving whatever's being worked on. For anyone spending significant hours at a desk, this quietly becomes one of the most used tools in the entire setup within the first week. Number 8. Telescopic light lighting has always had the same limitation. It illuminates where it's pointed and leaves everything else in shadow. The telescopic light extends and adjusts to reach exactly where light is actually needed: under a car hood at night, inside a cabinet during a repair, in a workspace corner that no overhead light reaches. The telescopic design means it goes places a standard light simply can't, and the adjustable angle means it stays exactly where it's pointed without needing a hand to hold it there. Simple concept. Surprisingly high daily use once it's in a toolkit or a garage. 7 gadgets in, a self-destroying encrypted USB drive still coming, a laser engraver that fits in a pocket, and the number one gadget at the very end, a spinning holographic clock that looks like something that belongs in a design museum. If this list has been different from the usual content, subscribe right now, turn on notifications. New discoveries every week. Drop in the comments which gadget so far would actually change something in the daily routine. 7 more. Let's finish this. Number 7. 3D projector. A home cinema used to mean buying a large TV, mounting it, running cables, and spending significantly more than anyone wanted to. The 3D projector eliminates most of that. Compact enough to sit on a shelf or a coffee table, it projects a large, clear image onto any wall or surface, turning a living room, bedroom, or even a garage into a proper viewing experience without the commitment of a permanent installation. For anyone who wants a cinema-sized screen without a cinema-sized investment, this is the most practical entry point available right now. Number 6. Omni5 Dashcam. Most dashcams cover the front windshield. Some add a rear camera. Both leave significant blind spots that become important exactly when something goes wrong. The Omni5 features 5 independent lenses, a 130-degree wide-angle front camera, and 4 specialized interior and rear cameras, eliminating blind spots and providing a seamless view of the vehicle's surroundings. Baccarat. Beyond simple recording, it acts as a smart guardian. With its G-sensor, parking mode, and Wi-Fi alerts, it automatically captures and saves footage during incidents. Baccarat, 5 channels, complete coverage. The dashcam that makes every other dashcam feel like it's only doing half the job. Number 5. SPESYN Tool 3. Every person who has ever drilled into a wall, a shelf, or a piece of furniture knows the exact frustration. The drill bit wanders slightly off angle and the hole ends up in the wrong place. The SPESYN Tool 3 has a front guide module and dual guide rail system, which mechanically stabilize the drill bit to ensure perfectly 90-degree surface entry every time across a range of materials. New Atlas. A built-in LCD display provides real-time operational data. The integrated depth sensing system offers 0.1 mm level readouts, allowing users to execute blind hole drilling and complex tapping with surgical precision. Android guys. 3 modes in one tool: drilling, screwdriving, and precision thread tapping. USB-C fast charging means the battery goes from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes. Android guys. This is the drill that robotics engineers built because they were frustrated with every other drill on the market. Number 4. ANYLASER X1. Laser engravers have always had the same problem. They're large, expensive, intimidating, and built for industrial use. Most people who want to personalize a wallet, engrave a piece of wood, or mark a custom item simply don't have the space or budget for what's available. The ANYLASER X1 was engineered to fill this gap, proving that an effective, reliable laser tool can be as small and accessible as a standard computer mouse. Number 3. Ironkey Keypad 200. Most people store sensitive files on a regular USB drive. No password, no encryption, just plug it in anywhere and every file is immediately accessible to whoever has it. The Kingston Ironkey Keypad 200 incorporates XTS-AES 256-bit hardware-based encryption and is FIPS 140-3 Level 3 validated for military-grade security. Kingston technology. An alphanumeric keypad on the drive itself unlocks it. No software required. Works on any operating system. Number 2. Miocube. The Miocube earns its spot through pure visual impact. The Miocube mini ice maker gets the job done in just 12 minutes, and it's not much bigger than a toaster, offering quiet operation and simple one-touch controls. Gadget review. Compatible with multiple power sources, including a car adapter, which means cold drinks on road trips, camping trips, and anywhere else a bag of ice would otherwise be the only option. It's the kind of appliance that sits on a counter and draws questions from literally everyone who sees it for the first time because it looks too small to do what it actually does. Number 1. KLOKMAN Spinning Smart Clock. This is the gadget mentioned at the very start. Here's exactly why it earned the top spot. The KLOKMAN uses a set of spinning LEDs to display the time as a floating visual. The base has 2 rings of 60 LEDs and a sensor that monitors the speed of the spinning top. The spinning part has 120 channels to show the time, iPhone-ness. It connects to a smartphone to display various cool patterns and custom text. 3 buttons at the base configure time and brightness. Gadgetify. Brightness level, styles, and layouts are all customizable, and despite being a spinning clock, it doesn't make a whole lot of noise. iPhone-ness. The result is a clock that doesn't look like any clock that has ever existed. 14 gadgets, every single one chosen because it makes people stop, look twice, and ask questions. Which one would actually change something real in the daily routine? Drop it in the comments. Every single response gets read. Hit like if this showed something genuinely new. It takes 1 second and helps more people find this instead of the recycled content already everywhere.